How to make money with Canva proven method to earn $400 daily. Canva is just like another editing tools, but do you know you can earn $400 daily using Canva in ways you probably ever imagined? Today, I'll teach you 8 proven methods to earn money using Canva. You can be a freelancer or even start a business. How? Stick around until the end. Surely there is 1 or 2 best fit for you. This method number 1 changed my life. I have talked about in my other videos that I start my online side hustle journey to TikTok. What I did is create trending video to earn with the TikTok creative program, repeat the cycle and post it every day until I saw significant earning. Then to boost my earning, I created another TikTok account, but it took most of my time, so I tried hiring freelancers with good video editing skills and it works. You can also offer similar services like social media posts or other design needs. On a subscription basis, offer a design subscription service that can be incredibly rewarding. I used to spend hours making my own thumbnails until I found a guy who is much better at me doing it and pay him a lot. And here I had to start. Identify our recurring design needs that businesses have, such as social media graphic, email templates, or website banners. Created a subscription plan that offers a set number of designs per month for a fixed price. Market your service to business owners who need consistent, high-quality design work but don't want to hire a full-time designer. You can manage everything through platforms like Canva and deliver design via email or shared drive. Business owners are always looking for consistent, high-quality design work and they are willing to pay for it. With just 10 clients paying you monthly, you can generate a steady income stream. Sometimes you just don't want to offer your skills for money without the hassle of activity. Find clients to different platforms and apply in tens or hundreds of job posts. That's where method 2, freelancing design marketplace, comes in. Platforms like 99 Design or Design Quad will handle the customer service and promotion and leaves you to focus on what you do best, designing. To get started, create profiles on those platforms and showcase your best work. Make sure your portfolio highlights your range of skills and style. Participate in design contests to get noticed and building your reputation. As you complete projects and receive positive reviews, you will attract more clients and increase your earnings. It's a great way to make money on the side, especially if you are looking to get started without a big commitment. This next method is quite different. Imagine this: you have got a cool design ideas for t-shirt or a mug. Back in the day, you need to hire a graphic designer and a manufacturer and then deal a bunch of inventory. But guess what? Things are way easier now. With platforms like Canva, you can wrap up your design right there. That's right. This method number 3 is all about print-on-demand product. The magic of print-on-demand means you only produce and ship items when customers actually order them. So no upfront cost or stockpile of unsold product. It's perfect for those with a knack for design and creativity. Here how it works. You create your design using Canva easy-to-use tools. Once you are happy with your design, you upload it to a print-on-demand service like Printerful, Redbubble, or Teespring. Those services handle everything from printing to shipping, so you don't have to worry about anything. You set your prices, and when someone makes a purchase, the print-on-demand service takes care of the rest, and you earn a profit from each sale. It's an excellent way to start a business with minimal upfront investment. If you are curious about how to dive deep into this, let me know in the comments, and I might just make a full tutorial on launching your own print-on-demand business. Also, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more money-making methods. This next method is quite similar. The thing is, you don't have to worry about packaging or shipping. Sound cool, right? That's what you get for method number 4, template creation. You create social media templates and sell them online. Platforms like Etsy are great places to start. Creating templates that people actually want to buy and learn how to market them can turn this into a lucrative income stream. To get started, think about the kind of templates that businesses and individuals need. Social media plays, Instagram stories, Pinterest pin, and even business cards are all great options. Use Canva to design those templates and make sure they are customizable so your customers can easily tweak them to fit their needs. Once you have created a few templates, set up a shop on Etsy or your own website and start selling. Now, let's talk about method number 5, which is branding packages. Follow a creator who launched a beautiful notebook 2 years ago. She outsourced the box design to a company, which shows that businesses are always looking for unique packaging design. If you are good at creating stunning design on Canva, you could offer your services to business owners who need help with the packaging. Here how how you can do it. Start by creating a portfolio of different packaging design using Canva. Include various style and theme to show your versatility. Reach out to small businesses, especially those that sell physical products like cosmetic, gourmet food, or custom gift. Offer to create custom packaging design that reflect the brand identity and values. You could charge a flat fee per project or offer your services on a returning basis, providing ongoing design support. It's simple and a great way to put your design skills to good use and make some serious cash. Maybe you ever thought about teaching others your skills. If you are good with Canva, consider this next method number 6, branding workshop. Teaching people how to create design can be incredibly profitable. You don't need to be an expert, just good enough to show others the ropes. Charge a reasonable fee for your classes, and if you get 10 people paying $200 each, that's $2,000 in a day. To get started, design on the format on your workshop. You can offer in-person classes if you have a local audience, or online workshop for a broader reach. Use platforms like Zoom or Google Meet to host your section, and create a detailed curriculum that covers everything from the basic of Canva to advanced design techniques. Promote your workshop on social media and through your email list to attract participants. You can use platforms like Teachable or even private YouTube videos to get started. It's a great way to share your knowledge and earn money at the same time. Here's a fun one. Method number 7, lead magnets. If you have got an audience, even a small one, you can create a free resources like checklists or ebook. In exchange for those freebies, people give out the emails addresses. This helps you build an email list, which is super valuable. Here's how it works. Think about what your audience will find useful. Maybe it's a social media calendar or branding checklist or an ebook on design tips. Use Canva to create a professional looking leads magnet and then offer it for free on your website or social media channel. When people sign up to get your freebie, they join your email list. Once you have a list, you can nurture those leads by sending them valuable content and occasional promotions. You can later monetize this list by promoting your own product or through affiliate marketing. It's a smart way to grow your audience and potential income. So for those aiming high, method number 8, pitch decks is the one for you. Pitch decks are used by entrepreneurs to secure investment. Those high-level professionals often don't have time to create their own pitch desk, so they hire designers. Here's how you can tap into this market. Research what makes a successful pitch desk by studying examples from top startups. Use Canva to create sleek, professional design that clearly communicate the business value proposition. Reach out to startup founder and offer your services, highlighting how well a designed pitch desk can help them secure funding. You can position yourself as a specialist in creating pitch desk for starting founders. Those clients usually have a significant budget, so you can charge a premium for your services. It's a fantastic niche if you are looking to work with serious business players. If you are looking for more methods to make money online, just go to my channel because I have got a ton of making money online contents for you. And if you enjoyed this content and find it informative, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way, whenever I post a new video, you can be the first person to be notified. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Are you still there? Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.